Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the PC75 from Akko. So this isn't how it comes stock, clearly. This is the keyboard after I modded and swapped out the keycaps and switches. I'll have a link to everything in the description. I made a full video about all the mods I did and everything used, plus a sound test of the keyboard stock. This is such a good board for the value you're going to pay for it. A polycarbonate plate, the keycaps are good, you even have a silicone dampener at the bottom, it's insane. Go check out that video if you want to see like more or whatever. But here's a sound test of the finished product.